Hey guys, it's me Chris, and today I'll be showing you a very affordable smartwatch. Now, there are a lot of good brands out there, from Apple, Samsung, but I've done my research, and based on the reviews that I found online, this is actually the best and cheapest smartwatch you can get. Here in the country, it's around 700 pesos, but if you buy it abroad, it would range from $15 to $17. So, pretty good deal to me. Alright, so let's take a look at the watch itself. Now, one thing I noticed is the box. It's very simple, very plain, nothing pretentious. It's like you know you're buying something that's very cheap, so I like that. And here we have a user guide. Oh, has its own QR code. I'm assuming this is for an app, so you could use it on your phone. But I wouldn't really recommend using it. Um, Based on the research I did, uh, these apps actually send information to China. I don't know how accurate that information is, but it is very plausible. Anyways, I know for a fact that this watch works with an iPhone, which I'm using right now to record a video, and an Android device. Works very well with Android, but some features work with the iPhone as well. Alright, so here's the watch. Let's take it out. Ooh, looks nice. Looks very nice. Feels very sturdy. It has a nice strap. I think it's going to feel very comfortable putting it on. And let's try to switch it on. Nice. Alright, so one thing I noticed when I switch it on is it's very fast. I mean, I didn't expect that. I expected it to be a bit laggy. Um, let's see. Okay, here are the features. Messaging, Bluetooth, call logs, BT dialer. I'm assuming you use this one to connect to your phone. There's an it says anti-loss, but I think, but they're trying to say it's anti-loss or something. Remote notifier, camera settings, pedometer, sleep monitor, the quick response, code, reminder, alarm, image viewer, calendar, find me. Guess it's to find your phone or the watch itself. It doesn't make sense. Maybe the phone. Okay, so sound recorder, music, audio player, camera. Wow. Oh yeah, it does have a camera here on top. And file manager, calculator, Facebook, browser, WhatsApp, and Twitter. Awesome. And inside the box, I failed to mention earlier, there's really nothing there except for this USB cable. Uh, it's for charging the phone, transferring data if you want to upgrade your firmware. I'm going to show you where you charge it. Here on the side, there's a little cover. Yeah, there, for USB 2.0. Just plug your USB cable there. And see, it's going to charge. Alright. Cool. Okay, so now I'm going to peel off the protective tape here on the screen. Let's go ahead and do that. Feels really good. You know that feeling when you get a new phone and you remove the protective screen protector. When you remove it, it feels like that. It's very satisfying. Love that feeling. And yeah, this watch also comes with different clock faces. You can toggle it by just tapping on the screen. So yeah, it looks awesome. See, Not bad for 700, right? Okay, so let's go over some basic functionality. Now, one thing I really like about this smartwatch, and by the way, sorry I forgot to mention, because the model isn't exactly printed anywhere on the box, but the model is DZ09 SmartWatch. Um, it's usually prefixed with a Chinese name, different Chinese names. So it doesn't really matter what the name is as long as it's a DZ09. I've seen some Memtech DZ09, some other Chinese name DZ09, but yeah, bottom line is it's a DZ09. Okay, so yeah, one thing I really like about this watch is it's not just a watch. And I'm not talking about the camera and the mic. I'm talking about the capability of being a phone itself. So yeah, I'm gonna try to open this watch so I could show you what I mean. You can actually put a SIM card on the back and a memory card. So it does function as a watch on its own, which is pretty, I'm sorry, as a phone on its own. So it's pretty amazing if you ask me. I mean, why bring a phone if, you can just wear it as a watch? Um, I guess what I'm trying to say is it's a good secondary phone. Here in the Philippines, people like having multiple numbers. I don't know why, but usually you have Globe, you have Smart, some even have Sun and Talk and Text. Um, yeah, so it's nice to have multiple um, networks, but to me, uh, uh, what I like about it is the fact that if I ran out of battery and I have to make an important call or send an important message, I can just, take out my SIM on my phone, one of my phones, and plug it here. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna try to open up the back, see if it's easy. Yep, comes off pretty easily. And you see the battery. Nice. Alright, so let me switch it off first before I remove the battery. Power off, yes. Okay, and while I'm doing this, I'm actually downloading an app that's very highly recommended by DZ09 users. It's called BT Notification. It's this one. So I'll be installing it on my Samsung S5 so I could show you how it works. Alright, and for the meantime, I'll take out the battery, and as you can see, there's a SIM card slot and one for the memory card. It can support up to 32 gigabytes. Though I don't think you'd need that much, but I'll be trying out a 32 gigabyte memory card on it. See how it works. See if it can actually recognize the card. Because I remember back in the day, I had a Motorola phone. Oh, back then that was like cutting edge, like the flip phones, but it couldn't handle more than 4 gigabytes of memory card space. So curious to see if it's gonna work on this phone. And I'm gonna put a Globe SIM card here, micro SIM. Yep, fits quite well. Just have to latch it on there and lock it. Alright. So let me put the battery back in. Alright. Okay. And yeah, one thing I want to try to do with this watch is I want to try to upgrade the firmware. Uh, I saw online that you can actually upgrade the firmware and change the way it looks and change the apps that come with a watch, because there are various models, as I mentioned earlier, and they all came with different applications. Let me just wipe off the screen. I have very sweaty hands, I'm sorry about that. Alright, so let me switch it on. Smartwatch, I know. Alright. So yes, you can see right now it's searching for a network, and it says Globe. Amazing. Alright. And now I have installed the application. I'm going to open it. BT notification is required to send applications notifications to your remote device. Press OK. My Samsung phone here. Okay, let's see. Looking watch. Looking for, I guess it means looking for a watch. Alright, so let's switch it on. I think we have to pair it from the native Bluetooth application first before we try the other application. So yeah, it says here Apache DZ09. So this one is an Apache. I'm gonna pair with it. So you can see pairing. Alright, there's a request. Okay, just pair it. Don't really care about the code. Let's see. What's happening? Is it paired? Well, let me go back to BT Dialer. Go to that and connect. Okay, we're connected. Awesome. Alright, yeah, I want to sync the date and time with the remote device, of course. Okay. BT notification, see, the application extended to the watch. Alright. Okay, so right now, I want to see if I can call this number. I think I know the number. Let me check. I'm sending a message from my Samsung. Let's see if it's gonna receive it. Hope it does. Alright, anyways, if you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to leave a comment on the video. And if you like it, please share it with your friends. It's gonna help me out a lot. Alright. And shout out to the people where I got this from. They're very nice people. I'm gonna put a link of their websites on the description so you can buy the watch. And they also have other items as well. They're a very nice couple. They're online sellers from OLX, so you could check out their stuff, and if anything interests you, you can buy it. Tried sending a test message there. That's right, I said test, not text. Maybe the SIM card probably isn't active anymore. It's an old SIM card. I haven't used it for a while. Yeah. Oh my God, went in. All right, so let's check it out. See, so the message went in. Awesome. I like it. Okay. All right, so the feature worked. I'm gonna try to see if I could call it. Call it right now. Wait here. Okay. There you go. Okay, so it does work as a phone. Awesome. We've tested it. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out the other functionalities of the watch. When it comes to performance, the watch is very responsive. I can't believe it's only $700, to be honest. Like, it's very responsive, it can do a lot of things. It's not just a watch. Like, can't expect that for 700. And the design is really nice. Like I said, it kind of looks like the Samsung Gear. Nice strap, and it has that. It's pretty heavy. It's not heavy. It has the right weight to make you feel like you're wearing something sturdy, and let me try it on. See how it actually feels. Look. That looks really good. See? It feels really nice. Like where it's like I feel like I'm wearing an Apple Watch. So yeah, awesome watch. Okay, guys, I just tried the phone. I'm sorry, the watch on my with my iPhone. It worked really well. Although uh, the only thing it can really do is um, call with the iPhone through the watch, receive a call. It can play the music from the iPhone with the BT Music app. You can actually play your own music on the memory card if you put any there. You can do that. It's pretty awesome. And with the camera, it doesn't work with the iPhone. What I mean with that is you have the option to control the camera on your phone using the watch with remote camera. It can't do that with the iPhone, but it did work with the Samsung, with the Android, so that was awesome. I'm gonna show you how good the camera quality on the watch is. Okay, so let's go ahead and do another test with the camera, so you could see what kind of pictures you could take with it. Yeah, here's the box. Here the camera. Oh my god. The problem is the light in my room is... there we go. Alright. So yeah, you can take a picture, you can take a video if you want. But yeah, I'm probably not going to use the camera anyway on the phone. Because if you look at it, you have to take pictures in this... on this orientation. I mean, pretty James Bond type of angle. It's like, if you don't want someone to know you're taking a picture of them, you could use the watch, but I'm not gonna use that because camera's not good. But I'm not after the camera anyway. It's nice that it's there in case of emergency, but I am probably not gonna use that. Alright, so with regard to the other features, Twitter, WhatsApp, and Facebook, and the browser, there's no Wi-Fi capability on this watch, so you have to configure your SIM card to work with the right APNs, so you could access the internet through the SIM. It would work with 3G, I believe, and I know it's gonna work. Just haven't configured it yet. Alright. As for the other features, they work really well, like the pedometer. So you can see if I start it, if I move it a bit, you see the counter there? Wait, let me see if, yeah, the steps, see? 5. I have to make it believe that I see. Already I took 19 steps without even moving. Okay, so it works. No problem there. Let me clear that up. Okay. Alright, reminder. Yeah, you could add reminders to the watch if you have a meeting or you have to go somewhere important. What else? A sleep monitor. Pretty much works like any other sleep monitoring app on watches. Calendar. Yeah, you know what? There's a sound recorder as well, so let's test that out. Alright? Let's try it. Alright, testing. Testing sound quality 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's play that back. Alright, testing. Testing sound quality 1, 2, 3. Awesome, so it works as well. Okay, it's pretty cool. Okay, well, anyway, it has a calculator as well, so, you know, it's pretty good if you're a student You want to cheat? No, don't cheat. I don't condone cheating, but it's there if you need it. Okay, so if you want to get this exact model, the Apache DZ09 model, I'm gonna leave a link on the description below so you can buy it from the people I got it from. Very nice people, very prompt, very courteous. They will entertain your questions, unlike other sellers. Really, I highly recommend them. Uh, thing thing about buying these kinds of smartwatches online is they normally don't know the actual model itself. So if you know someone who sells a specific model, you just go to them or refer your friends to them, like the people I got this from. And the DZ09, by the way, is the latest firmware, I believe, and there is no need for me to upgrade the firmware anymore unless I want to change the face completely, which I may make a video on. If you want to see that, let me know. If you want me to update you with regard to the watch's performance, let me know as well. Um, I do hope they upgrade the firmware because I really think that this watch can do more. It can handle more applications, and I hope they could um, bring more features to the iOS phones with the watch because I like using my iPhone more than my Android phone, to be honest. So I'm probably gonna sync the watch with the iPhone instead. Alright, well, that's about it. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Um, if you want me to up to upload any other type of videos, technical stuff with regard to rooting your Android device, jailbreaking your iPhone, let me know in the comments. Uh, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna try to upload as much videos as I can, related mostly on technical stuff. I'm a big gamer as well, so if you want me to review games, let me know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.